back to the build. To make progress on getting the radiator back in the car, I need to blank off this port at the bottom of the radiator. I just need to get this TIG welded now, and then I can fit the radiator. In order to get this horn fitted, I first need to fit the subframe back onto the car, as the additional supports come up to where I've mounted this previously. From underneath you can see how much extra protection this added bar gives the front end. It should hopefully give the intercooler and the engine some more protection. I ended up taking the bracket off the back of the horn and bolting it straight through the support here. I have threaded the wires through, so that's good to go. The next job I'll do is fit the side repeaters to the wings. As these indicators are for a Mini, I don't have the weather seal that they should fit into. I need to seal up the circuit board with some silicone on the centres. I will use Sikaflex to bond the indicator to the quarter. I have left the wings overnight. They'll probably want a bit more time to cure, but they're touch dry, so I can put them back on the car. The next thing I'm going to do is to get the relay cover somewhere near completion. I need to trim this bottom edge so the cables can come through. For the blank on the radiator, I've decided to bung it. This will potentially make it easier to drain when it's in the car. Now I have this welded on, I can start building up the back of the car. There are still a lot of brackets on the radiator I can remove. Firstly, I'm going to get this fan assembly finished off. The next thing to do is to put some extra support in the mount for the fan. I will add some plating to each contact point. I've just put some silver tape down in the back of the car just to get the best transition of air through to the radiator. I've just gone around the top of the radiator and sealed it in. Next I'll get the wiring sorted for the fan. It's a very effective fan. Now that I've tested the fan, I can get the loom all taped up and ready for some conduit. Now that I have the full ducting in the boot, I'm going to see how much draw the fan is pulling out the back of the car. There's a good amount of pull through the ducts. I'd say it's working pretty well. I have some little clasps that I can use to secure the relay cover. Next, I'll get the horn relay secured in place. Also, I need to secure the flashers. Just a simple strip of Velcro is plenty to secure these. That's it for another episode. On the next episode, we'll take a look at these 3 turbos. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.